Donna Dewberry. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and let's have fun learning a new flower today. So the first thing I want to do is I want to go in my double loader with my two paints. I've got a floating medium in the middle because we don't use water. We're also using multi-surface paints, and they're folk art multi-surface. This is Hawaiian Surf, and this is Juneberry and Wicker White. And with the floating medium, we use and whenever we feel like we're dry on paper. So how's that sound? All right, so I'm going to come up here and I'm going to slide, wiggle up and slide. Okay, so we're going to lay in here and pick up paint. Let's go one, wiggle, slide down. All right, we're going to go right there where I loaded and slide down. So let me show you. I'm going to go in between the two colors and split the brush. This is a 16 flat. This is one of my brushes. I want you to see that we're going to pick up paint and we're going to come in here, wiggle up and slide back down. All right, wiggle up and slide back down. So now I've lost the white, so I can just dip white and I can come up here and slide back down. Now, what's going to happen is that we are going to add keep adding this color, and I'm going to make it come all the way around and back. But the first thing I need to do here is take just the corner of my brush and grab Juneberry and make a center. Okay, then I'm going to wipe off some of that paint, and I am going to pick up again right here in the middle. And I have enough paint on here that I don't need to use the medium, so that's kind of cool. So I'm going to come into the middle of this flower and see, I'm going to come right here and wrap it around. Okay, so that center is going to be showing up right in here. You see that? And we're going to come right here. So you want the dark. Now the dark could be any color. It doesn't have to be Juneberry. It can be any color you want it to be. Okay, so those are all curled inward, right? So I like it where you can see I'm constantly this is my double loader. For any of you who are new, the biggest problem with my technique is not getting it muddy and figuring out how to load. So many people are loving that the double loader helps them load really nice. So it also has a lid. And so the lid's wonderful because it closes it up, and then that paint, next time I come in and want to paint, the paint's still there. All right, so what we're going to do is keep layering these petals. Now you can come out here and have a petal that just kind of lays out the other way. Okay, you can do that too. But see, I want you to go this with me one more time. Slow, slow, up, down, and roll. Okay, so let's do that again on the other side. We're going to go wiggle, wiggle, up, put pressure, and roll it around. Okay, so we're going to keep picking up white. So I just dipped white and roll this under. Okay, I can split it and then work it in. And we're going to come right here, pressure, stand up, pressure, and roll it. Okay, so what happens is that we can keep doing this and roll it around. And roll it around, tuck some all under. And I love when I can start bringing some out and then around, so they're hanging out. Isn't that kind of fun? So, and then roll it back. Isn't that pretty? You can even come in here and add one in there. Okay, so do you see this? I'm going to come right in here, push down and roll it back up. Isn't that kind of nice? So we're going to put a couple of little ones right in here and up here. And then we're going to come right down here. Pressure, roll. Isn't that kind of nice? Okay, now I'm going to just come in here with some of this pretty Hawaiian teal color. Let's see, this is Hawaiian Surf. Okay, so I'm going to come right in here with the dark, the blue, and that's Hawaiian Surf and the Juneberry. Isn't that pretty? Okay, so now look what happens to these beautiful leaves. Up, and I can bring some more in here. Now watch what happens. Out, roll it, out, and back. Okay. Now I ran out of paint when I got to right there, but you can just restroke it. All right, so I just picked these two colors because I thought they might be nice. All right, up to a point. Now you can break it up and bring this around and come up to this point and pull it down. Isn't that kind of nice? Oop, I got a little bit of empty spot there. And anything you don't like, this is the beauty of one stroke. If you're feeling like, oh, I wish I would have redone this, I could come right here and stroke right back over it again. Okay. And so I want you to see, we're going to take 1, 2, 3. Okay. I'm going to get some medium because it should feel like butter when you're working with it. Butter. Okay. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now, by the time you practice these petals here, I want you to see exactly what I was doing with the petals. Okay, watch. I was going, here's the petal, wiggle, 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 come to a point, pressure and roll, and there's the leaf. So it's the petals and the leaves, and you can also do this, and it just takes a little bit of practice. So here again, we're going to go here and here like that. We're going to start here. We're going to wiggle, wiggle, wiggle up, slide back, pressure, and roll. Okay. So you want to have lots of colors so you don't lose the color part way. Here, let's do it again. 1, 2, 3. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle up, pressure, roll, and then stand it up. So I gave you something to practice on. To start making your greeting cards quick and easy, give them away, and before you know it, you will become a one-stroke artist. Thank you very much. I'm Donna Dewberry. Please subscribe and ring the bell so you know every time I'm doing a free live, giving discounts and more. Thank you. Bye-bye.